Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Tell me what's going on with your hand, with your thumb.
About 4 weeks ago, I woke up and it hurt.
Okay.
It was kind of aching, like if you slept wrong.
Okay.
So I went for about a week.
Okay.
And doing that kind of thing.
Yeah, you start to have muscle spasm and stuff like that.
And then 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, I wrapped it myself to keep my thumb from moving.
Okay.
And because that seemed to be the pain.
Okay.
And then 3 weeks, about a week and a half ago, it was no longer comfortable that way. And then last week I came in, or this week, this week I came in.
So how much pain at worst from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
It gets to be about a 5.
5. And where do you feel the pain? Would you show us in the camera?
It comes up here and then
Shoot pain.
Shooting pain. And then like now it's just kind of a numbing, like
you have a numbing, constant numbing feeling. Where do you feel the numbing?
Kind of in my hand, but then I didn't know if it was because I'm holding myself.
Oh, you're compensating.
Yeah, so it's kind of in here.
Okay.
And kind of up in here, but this is very sensitive.
Very sensitive to touch.
Yeah.
What's difficult for you to do?
Pick up anything.
Can you move it? Can you show us the movement? You're really tight. Okay, so I'm gonna measure the range of motion. So have you had any treatment for that before?
Just on Monday or Tuesday, I had a shot.
And that was like 3 days ago? Okay.
Yeah.
So do you still feel pain?
It's a little bit worse than it was.
Oh, okay. All right. So how much pain do you feel right now?
But it's about a 4 or 5.
4 or 5? Okay. Okay. So let's bring your arm up, your hand up. And let me know when you feel pain. How would that feel? Is that as far as you can go? Okay. As you see, it's a 20 degrees extension. That's a little bit over 20 degrees. 22. Okay. So now we're going to go down. Let's move this to the side. Like this.
Keep going.
Keep going as long as you don't feel pain, okay? That's painful.
I feel it.
You feel it. Okay, so that's 25 degrees. Okay.
It's like pulling.
Pulling? Okay. So we're gonna get the top 25, 20 and 25. Let's bring your hand this way. Okay. Alright, and that's 10 degrees. And outside. Is that too much? Okay, sorry. Okay, that's 18 degrees.
No.
Is it too much? Okay. Make sure it's not aggravating your symptoms, okay? You were...
Okay.
Okay. You feel that?
No, that feels okay.
I just release it.
That's why? That's quick?
Yeah. Well, you feel the movement here. Yeah, it was tight. Compare this to this. That's painful?
Yeah. It's tight.
Yeah.
Very, yeah.
Painful? Okay. How does that feel? You're not garden. She's smiling. Okay. She's smiling. You feel the tightness?
It feels like it's, yeah.
It's pulling, yeah. It's tight.
But it doesn't have that pain anymore.
That's good. How does it feel?
It feels good.
You feel the grinding here?
Yeah.
That's all scar tissue. It should feel like nice and smooth like that. Well, they have a scar tissue here. You feel this bump here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just believe me.
Yeah.
I'm not sure we have a good example everywhere. Yeah, but you have a scar tissue here. You feel that big knot?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Stress.
Feel the difference between here? Yeah. That's nice and smoother compared to this bumpy. And you can see it in the camera that the instrument just jump over the scar tissue. The good thing about this design is really easy to assess the scar tissue and easy actually to treat it.
It feels good.
Yeah. Can you tell a difference after working on it for a few seconds?
Yeah, you couldn't touch it before.
I could not touch it. And can you feel the bumps start to decrease? Mm-hmm. So how's this? I'm touching, and she did not punch me yet. Okay. Yes, sir. How's that?
A lot better than it was.
Yeah, moving. Yeah, side to side. Okay, beautiful. Look at this. Ah, you're showing off now. That was like 20 degrees. Okay, let's go extension. Okay. All right. So we have. Okay, it's like 48 degrees. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, it's 48 degrees. Okay, let's do the flexion. So, okay. Look at that. Look at this number. Yeah, it's 58. 58. So we were 20 and.
I couldn't do that.
Yeah, 20 and 25. So that's good. Okay, let's get the top. Okay, put this in here. And that was like, let's see, it was 10 going this way. Let's see how far we can go. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. That's okay. Yeah, that's 12. Not too bad. Okay, the other way. That was 18. Okay, now we are, that was 18. Now it's 26. Yeah. Cindy, so tell me, what do you think about the ASTR treatment? We just spent a few minutes.
It's perfect.
Yeah, you feel the difference?
Yes, I can move my hand and feel my fingers.
Yeah, beautiful, awesome. Yeah.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.